Does your personal hotspot keep disconnecting on your iPhone? This can happen due to several factors like compatibility issues, carrier settings, and software updates. There are several ways to resolve this issue. In this guide, I'll show you some effective solutions to keep your connection stable. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on Maximize Compatibility. Sometimes, the personal hotspot feature may have compatibility issues with other devices, which can cause connectivity issues. Open Settings. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Turn on Maximize Compatibility. Leave the personal hotspot screen open while other devices connect. Solution 2. Turn off Low Data Mode. Open Setting. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap Mobile Data option. Turn off Low Data Mode. Solution 3. Restart your personal hotspot. Open Setting. Turn on Airplane Mode for 10 seconds. Turn it off. This will restart your entire network. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data option. Tap Personal Hotspot. Turn this off and this back on again. After that, restart your device. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings and confirm. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter them. Following these steps should keep your personal hotspot connection stable. If you continue to experience issues like this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, stay tuned for our next video.